Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I would like to show you how to make shapale. And shapale means in Tibetan meat bread. I use a little bit baby pak choy and salt, cilantro, soy sauce, beef bouillon, and ground beef. I'm using this for 6 people, so I got 2 pounds of beef. And then dough, and you need a little bit of green onion, and then onion, garlic, and ginger. That's all you need. I want to show you how to make dough for shapale. I'm using unbleached all-purpose flour. First, I put 8 cups of flour in the bowl. 1 cup. I'm just adding 2. Okay, I'm adding the 3rd cup. You should use the cold water. Don't put warm water or hot water. That won't work. This is ready now. The dough is pretty good and it's really flexible. I finished kneading the dough, so I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and rest them a couple hours. I'm going to chop really small piece like this. No, I'm chopping the ginger. You have to chop really tiny pieces. I'm chopping the cilantro for shapale. No, you have to chop really small. No, I'm chopping the green onion. So you have to chop pretty small. It's pretty brutal. This is emmer. Tibetans call it emmer, but also people call Szechuan pepper or peppercorn. It's a little lemmy, but it's very good with meat. I'm gonna put half tablespoon of emmer. I ground it already. Basically, this is 2 pounds of meat, ground beef, and beef bouillon, 1 tablespoon. Then I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You have to mix really well all those stuffings. Normally Tibetans don't put vegetable, but I put a little bit of veggie because the meat softens up a little bit better. Basically, you can make the dough 2 different ways. I'm gonna make this first roll like this. Dough is a little too watery, so I'm gonna. If the dough is really watery, you can put a lot of flour, so no problem. So I'm gonna roll like this. Flattened up, has to be quite thin, otherwise can be really doughy, so we don't want that. Yeah, like this. Second thing is I'm gonna use this, cut it up, so this will do the measurement exactly, kind of round shape. That's what we need, the shape. I use this little cup, so it's kind of you need a round and a little thin edge. So just put like this and then press hard and cut this dough, so it makes this shape. Okay, now I'm cooking the meat shapale. Basically, you can put like this, like this. Good. This one you can do after you pinch. You can do like this. like this, then close one more time. Right. That's it. Now I'm cooking the balep. So when you have to turn it over when it gets golden brown. So just this one has to cook pretty good. So like that. So other side you should get a golden brown like this. That and you will see become other side like this, then already cooked. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave us comment below. We really appreciate for your comments. Thank you.